टीव्हीच्या साश्टीकार ह्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. सद्या गोंयांत फाटले आमी 3-4 दीस होच विशय घेवन आसात की भारतीय जनता पक्षान पयलेच खेपे दक्षिण गोंयांत एक बायल उमेदवार लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक दिवपाची तयारी दवरली आनी ते अशें म्हणटात की ऑलमोस्ट हो हें जाला, निर्णय जाला. आनी हातूंत सद्या काँग्रेस आनी बाकीचे आसात पक्ष आसात ते म्हणटात हो फकत एक फार्स, बीजेपीक दिवपाचें ना, बीजेपी बायलांचे विरोधी. पूण अशें म्हणटा आसतना पसून काँग्रेसीन जर आजचो इतिहास पळयलो जाल्यार काँग्रेसीन अजुनूय एकय बायलेक लोकसभेक उमेदवारी दिवपाचे दृश्टीन पळोवंक ना. आनी ह्याच फाटभुंयेचेर आमी आज चर्चा करपाक आसात. आनी आमचे आसा नेरी रोड्रिगीस. नेरीबाई तुका येवकार. नेरीबाईक तशें वळख करून दिवपाची गरज ना, पूण नेरीबाई म्हणटी पयली दक्षिण गोंयच्या जिल्हा पंचायत जे आशिल्ल्यो ताच्यो अध्यक्ष आशिल्ल्यो. महिला पंचायत महिला शक्ती अभियान आसा ताज्यो त्यो आदल्यो अध्यक्ष, आतांच्यो प्रशासक. एक सगळे हे पळयलें जाल्यार तुका कितें दिसता की बीजेपी आतां एक ह्या फावटी बायलेक दवरता एज अ बायल रिप्रेझेंटेटीव म्हणून तूं हाजे कडेन कशें पळयता? म्हणजे हे तुका कितें दिसता हे जस्ट फॉर नेम सेक करतात ते काय दे आर सिरियस?
Actually, without the reservation bill pass जायना आसतना ती तर विचार कोताय डील म्हणटरी डील म्हणपाचे. कित्याक मुगे एक्सपिरियन्स प्रमाणे सदां मुठाय बायलांक दितली. आमकांय खूब प्रॉमिस केलो पयलें जेन्ना हांव महिला काँग्रेस
ताजेर येवया आमी. पूण म्हाका पयलें तोच आमचो मेन इश्यू आसतलो.
हय. सो डील म्हणटरी डील म्हणपाचे.
सारकें.
सो नथिंग, let us cross the bridge when it comes and will that time automatically it will be proved.
But they have thought, they have given the thought.
Yes, but the thought should materialize. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't want talks in the air. They have to actually give representation and it should be given to women.
Okay.
बायलांक दिवपाकूच जाय. दिसना
तेच म्हणटा गो हे दिवपाक जाय. आनी तूं म्हणटा अशें तूं तेंच दिता म्हणजे अजुनूय म्हणजे फाटले म्हाका दिसता एक 5-6 दीस जाले आमी आयकतात. 5 ते 6 दीस जाले म्हाका.
डिले कित्याक कोताय अनाउन्स करपाक? तुम सिरियस आहा जाल्यार तुम ताबडतोब अनाउन्स कर आनी कॅन्डिडेटाक दीस आनी टायम हुया.
नाल्यार आनी एक सद्याक म्हणजे आतां म्हणजे स्पेशली फ्रॉम काँग्रेसीन हातूंतले म्हणजे बायलेक दिल्यार बायल सावथ गोवा जिखपाक शकना. आतां तूं इतलें काम केलां. तुजी भयणूय पयली फेडरल बाय फुता आशिल्ले ते एक तेंपार MLA आशिल्ले आनी शी इज नॉट सिलेक्टेड, शी इज बीन इलेक्टेड. तुका दिसता की हो जो आर्ग्युमेंट करतात की बायलेक दिल्यार बायल जिखची ना म्हणटी, आर यू एग्री विथ दॅट स्टेटमेंट इन सावथ गोवा?
Winnability, if party is giving a ticket, why only say winnability without proving and giving the ticket? How can they say women have equal opportunity and chance to win than men? तुम्ही पयली पाटी reservation म्हाका दवरला. reservation ना जाल्यार हांवूय पॉलिटिक्सां आसपानी. nobody would know me only. I would have been a teacher only, no? So you give a chance for the women and the woman will prove. And people definitely have more faith today, I feel, in women.
And the voters
have more faith.
And this one female voters are more than the male voters.
More than men voters. That's what I was about to say. Half of the country in India, if you go to see the representation of women, we are 14th from the bottom in the world. Women leaders all over have not proven and shown. Didn't we have successful women who were given the chance as chief ministers, prime ministers, president? Today we have a woman. Give her a chance, no? How can you just say jikpana, winnability so chance दियाय?
ना पूण तूं इतलें भोंवला हाजे पयलीं तूं यू आर एक्टीव इन अजुनूय आसा पूण हालीं यू आर सारकें चड सामकें हाजे बरोबर चर्चिला बरोबर जावं कोणा बरोबर इतलें भोंविल्लें ताका लागून म्हणटा तुका हांव कितें आसा सावथ गोवाचें हें इवन बायलेक दिल्यार ती बायल जिखपाक शकता.
बायल जिखपाक शकता कित्याक सगळे लोकांन चोयलां कितें जाता तें. And they feel that a woman at least they should be given a chance.
So मेन म्हणटा तें आतां तूं म्हणटा तशें फाटीं तूं विशयाक सुरू केल्लें. आतां काँग्रेस म्हणटा की हे जे BJP जे कितें करता ते बेश्टे लोकांक फटोवपाक करता, हें करता तें करता. आनीक जर बायलांक जर रिप्रेझेंटेशन जर कोणें खरेंच दिलां जाल्यार ते काँग्रेसीन, कित्याक द बील हॅज बीन आमचे आसले राजीव गांधी आसतना राजीव गांधीन ते आडयले म्हणून. सो तूं काँग्रेसीक जाय आशिल्लें. काँग्रेसीक हो जो प्रिंसिपल आसा तो फॉलो करताले, मिन्स बाय विलिंगली. रिजर्वेशन आहा म्हणटा ते दिवपाकूच पडटा विलिंगली. बायल इतली आसा, लिडर आसा, तिका दिवया अशें केन्नाय जाला काय?
म्हाका जाल्यार दिसना जाल म्हूण. कित्याक आमी महिला काँग्रेसांतलीं पयले लिडर महिला हांव 4 फावटी जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शन जिंकला. मुगे अजून रेकॉर्ड आहा. 2 फावट हांव अध्यक्ष. म्हाका तो दिल ना जाल्यार हायर जॉयन जावपाक. कित्याक वयर सरपाक न्ही तुका टिकेट, नॅशनल पार्टी टिकेट मातशें बरें जाता. आनी आर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ऑल्सो मोनिका वॉज विथ मी. वी वर ऑल वर्किंग टुगेदर फॉर काँग्रेस. तेकाय दिल ना, म्हाकाय दिल ना. मोनिका डायस. वी वर ट्रायंग फॉर काँग्रेस टिकेट. हांव दिल ना म्हणून आमी गोवा विकासाचे गेले न्ही मागीर. सो दीस experimentations show that till that reservation bill is actually passed, it was introduced. I fully agree. The 73rd, 74th amendment was Rajiv Gandhi's dream, and it has materialized. That's why we got representation in panchayats and zilla panchayats. That 33% reservation. Pun tingach kitya bailang dorap. People, women who are multitasking, they have to play the role of the family also and attend to so many causes. So we need that push at the start, because it's very difficult for women to fight money and muscle power of men, which I have witnessed. And so that's why I feel that reservation is required. And now that Modi has promised it in 2027, I hope it becomes a reality. But now I have lost all interest only in politics. Because even if it becomes a reality, if it passes or not passes, it's one and the same thing. Everybody will keep their family members, and it will boil down to that only. I don't think the deserving women will get.
So even proxy. The reservation जाल्यार बसूनय
फायदो आसपा ना.
आमी आगे जर सामके ग्लॅरिंग जर हे दिवपाक जाय एग्जाम्पल जाल्यार इट्स नॉट रिजर्व नाशिल्लें, पूण तुजे कलीग इन युअर ZP, तुजे कलीग आशिल्ले ते मारिया रिबेलो, and she was deserving candidature in Benali constituency, and she was trying for Congress ticket.
Yes.
But at that time, ताजो सामको मेंटर आनी हे म्हणटात चर्चील आलेमावान मारियाक काडून कुशीन दवरले आनी आपली चलयेक दिले. सो
चर्चिलू कित्याक सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इट विल हॅपन दॅट ओनली. एनी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आतांचोय कितली बायल आसाय. Everybody is keeping their own wives.
Yeah, it's Michael's wife, then Vishwajit's wife, then Babush's wife.
So it is going to the reservation bill will be this only. Even in panchayats we have seen, if the seat is reserved for women, the earlier sarpanch, if he's a male, he'll keep his wife. It's not only at that higher level, at all levels. So I don't feel that.
And in some panchayats, the sarpanch, lady sarpanch is just for the namesake, because and the vice chair, this one.
That's what proxy.
Yeah, he's running the show. Yeah.
Running the show.
Yeah.
So participation as a critical mass of women, no, that 73rd amendment. Don't you feel it gets defeated?
It
was actually Gram Swaraj, when we are, as you said, 50% of the population, gender equality, gender budgeting, so many issues of women can be addressed in this forum, where women are not given a sizable representation over there.
Nelly, tuji band, Farrell, she was a MLA.
Yes.
But only for one time. Second time, she has been denied the ticket.
Yes.
So कित्याक लागून? Because and then it's a Farrell, means she was a fighter and all that. The image was such that and that time she has defeated Manu Fernandez, the giant of this one Valley. Yeah. So कित्याक लागून?
That's what somehow all feel that men only are capable, women are don't have that money power also, as I told you just now. So today elections means money. Money, muscle power, and you know how the scenario, I don't have to tell you what we have witnessed. And it's become a very dirty political game. It's all a vicious circle now.
Why you were denied the ticket? What was the reason?
Because of money, no. I told you, no. I'm a teacher, basically. And as teachers, we have certain principles, no. So since I didn't have money and I don't have any means of corruption, whatever, you don't have money. How much work I have done for people.
And who got the ticket at the time? Who got the ticket?
Male candidates. I don't want to name anybody.
Which constituency? Nowhere?
No, that time it was this thing. Benauli constituency. They never think of women. So until that reservation comes, probably that would be the only hope where we could see some women. Because see, if women were not, if I was not given, if reservation was not there for Kulwa, I never thought even politics was my cup of tea. I was happy with my job as a teacher. In MES I was teaching. So when people saw my social work, people forced me. Whether it is JC's, Lions Club, in so many other forums, I was doing social work. And that's the first time. But second time, the work that I did, I won with highest lead in Goa. Third time I was unopposed. Fourth time I won also on party lines. Though there was party lines and everybody called me BJP, whatever they said, but still I won with a sizable. And a fifth time I kept one young girl who was immature. She also won. So I could have contest. Now everybody is saying that.
I think it's open. It's open seat.
Party lines only. Party lines. Against Congress, she lost now.
But once you won in the open, this one,
3 times I won. That time the reservation on party lines was not there. It was independent. The fourth time only it was party lines.
तुम कित्याक लागून दिसता तुका की these political parties, why they are not trusting the women?
That it's better to ask them, because it's you know, they have their own agenda. I told you, they want their own people in it. And people who are vociferous, who will be fighting for issues of women, this, that, they are denied, no?
तेच म्हणटात की हे फाटले खेपेक बाबू राविल्लो, बाबूची बायल राविल्ली, हांगा तीच म्हणटा पडली, ताचे फाटल्यान आनी आपल्याक कोण तो मडकयकाराक तिकेट मेळूंक ना म्हूण मडकयकारान आपल्याक बायलेक दवरली. सो इवन आफ्टर रिजर्वेशन तुका दिसता हेंच जातलें काय?
हेंच जातलें.
कित्याक लागून? कित्याक हें ना दिवपाची इच्छा नासता?
इच्छा ना तेमकां. कित्याक it's just a lobby. And to get tickets also now they pay money, Everybody pays money for tickets. It's an open secret. So when you don't have money to contest, what you are going to pay over there?
तू खंयचे एग्जाम्पल्स बी खबर आहा? तू खंयचे एग्जाम्पल्स बी खबर आहा?
आको गोंया खबर आहा, तुमकां चड खबर आसपाचे. So this is also lobbying is there, where women cannot do that lobbying and all this bootlicking and this and that. It's difficult.
पण एक दिसता तुका की रिजर्वेशन जातकीर बायलो येतल्यो. आतां सद्याक जे हे आमच्या हावजाची डिग्निटी सामकी देंविल्ली आसा, किंवा ज्या तरेन डिबेट्स जावपा ते जायनात, तुका दिसता की हे येतकीर कितेंय वयर येतले, स्टेटस येतलो, कितें दिसता तुका?
जावपाक शकता, बिकॉज डेमोक्रेसी हॅज टू सर्वायव, Democracy has to survive. There has to be the voice of the people, has to be taken into consent.
No, but you are also doubting that deserving women may not get the ticket.
May not get, but that's what I'm saying. If the party, it depends on the party heads, whoever is the president. It's the people. Ultimately, who are the voters? The people. They have to pressurize. And have proper people's voices and people's representation for that candidate. Not just anybody who has money or this. If a deserving candidate is a woman who has done social work, who will be capable, able and to deliver, I don't mind the reservation, because I also want women empowerment. I'm for women empowerment.
Yeah. So
I want voice of women to be there in the assembly,
but in true
in
sense,
parliament, in the true sense.
Yeah.
Not just because
namesake, because it's
of namesake, then they don't actually work.
सो ह्यो आशिल्ल्यो नेली रोड्रिगीस ताणें म्हणलें तशें की जर बायलां खातीर रिजर्वेशन येता जाल्यार ताचें स्वागतच करपाक जाय, पूण ते येता परत फकत नांवा खातीर रिजर्वेशन आसचें न्ही अशें तांचें मत आसा. आनीक म्हाका दिसता हे सगळे बायलांचेच हें मत आसतलें आनी ते जर फकत नांवा खातीर तांकां दिनासतना जर डिजर्वींग दिलें जाल्यार खरें अर्थान म्हजे कोतान जे 50% जे वोटर्स मिन्स मोर दॅन 50% जे हे आसात तांकां न्याय दिल्ल्या भशेन जातलो आनी खऱ्या अर्थान बायलांचें जे आमी म्हणटा सक्षमीकरण जावपाक जाय तें जातलें अशें दिसता. सो सगळेंच वायट करून काय कर हें दिसना. सो आमी मातशें होपफूल रावया की एखादी हें जातलें अशें तरी आनीक सो ऑन दीस पॉझिटिव्ह नोट आमी आमची चर्चा थांबोवया. तूं हांगा आयल्या तुवें तुजी मतां मांडली आनी सगळ्याक बेस्ट म्हणटा तुवें कांयच दाखय लिपय करनासतना सद्याक कितें
हांवें फ्रँकली उलयलां कित्याक हें कितें जाता तें राजकारणांनी आमी म्हणटाय करप्शन जाता हें जाता पूण वोटरूय आमी सिन्सियरली एटलीस्ट इन माय केस आय हॅव डन सिन्सियर वर्क फॉर द पीपल. Okay, and I've brought so many schemes for the people, everything. But last minute तुका पयश ना जाल्यार तुवें कितलें काम करून last minute तुका पयश कोण दिता तो king. हें हांवें अनुभवलां. And that is the main reason why I have left politics and I enjoy the peace of mind. It's actually very good peace. And I'm also thankful to God because my seat became reserved for OBC.
Okay.
My seat became reserved for OBC. I got chance to become principal.
Okay.
Of MES. I retired as principal. My pension also is better today. Plus I am manager today because I did good work as principal. So the peace that you get and the respect that you get in this line is much better than what I hear in politics.
नेली तुका आतां एक लास्ट
I used to get in politics.
आतां फकत तुका एक लास्टच क्वेश्चन हांव हें करता की आतां काँग्रेस हाणें आमच्या BJPन म्हणलां की आपूण बायलेक दवरतले आनी म्हजे कोतान ते दवरतले दिसता म्हाका. काँग्रेसीनय तशेंच फुडें येवपाक जाय अशें दिसता तुका?
हय तेमी दवरपाक जाय न्ही, एक चान्स दिवपाक जाय बायलांक. वाय द सेम पीपल ऑलवेज? देर आर सो मेनी केपेबल.
Why only leave sympathies towards
that's what everybody should give representation to women. Bill येत ना आनी तुम कोण दाखोया विदाउट द बिल ना.
सो नॅलीन आपले हे आमची चर्चा थांबयता एक काँग्रेसीकूय आव्हान दिल्लें आसा की BJP दवरता मागीर तुमी कित्याक दवरनात? तुमी फकत म्हणटले कितें ते कांय ना, ते फकत फकाण करतात हें करतात, जर ताणें दवरल्यार तुमी कित्याक दवरनात हें नॅलीचें म्हणणें आसा. आनीक ह्याच हाजेर आमी नॅली ही चर्चा थांबोवया. तूं आयलें हांगा, तुवें तुजी मतां मांडली आनी सगळ्याक बरें म्हणटा ती फ्रँकपणान मांडली तुवें, ताका लागून तुका हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनीक आमचे जे सगळे पळोवपी आसात तांकांय देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात गोमंतक TV.